In modern warfare, air dominance is the key to victory. To secure that dominance, only a handful of air defense systems stand at the top, and among them, Russia's S-400 Triumf is considered one of the most advanced and formidable. Its long-range, high-speed interceptors, multi-layered defense capability and powerful radar network make it a true shield against any aerial threat. Unmatched range and accuracy. One of the biggest strengths of the S-400 is its extraordinary engagement range. Maximum missile range, up to 400 kilometers. Target detection range, around 600 kilometers. Tracking capacity, over 300 targets simultaneously. It can engage fighter jets, UAVs, cruise missiles, and even ballistic missiles, all at the same time. Extremely fast interceptor missiles. The S-400 launches 40N6, 48N6, and 9M96 series missiles, capable of reaching speeds of Mach 9 to Mach 14. These speeds allow the system to chase and destroy fast-moving targets at long distances and high altitudes. Effective against stealth aircraft. Equipped with advanced radars like NEBO-M, 91N6E Big Bird, and 96L6, the S-400 can detect low observable aircraft such as the F-35 and F-22 at significant ranges. This capability places the S-400 far ahead of many air defense systems worldwide. Highly mobile and fast deployment. The system can be deployed within 5 to 10 minutes. With truck-mounted launchers, mobile command posts and radar units, the S-400 can change its position rapidly, making it extremely difficult for the enemy to locate and destroy. Multi-layered defense. The S-400 uses different missile types to create a layered defense structure. Short-range interception, medium-range interception, long-range interception. This ensures a strong, multi-level protection shield against any type of aerial attack. Countries using the S-400. Several major military powers, including Russia, China, India and Turkey, have already deployed the S-400. Its proven capability makes it one of the most strategic systems in future warfare.